Sorting data is an integral part of data analysis. And if you have a table that contains data, you might want to arrange a list of the names in alphabetical order, compile a list of product inventory levels from highest to lowest, or order rows by colors or icons. And in most of the Microsoft Office products, this is offered by a single click of the Sort button in the data group from the table layout. In PowerPoint, however, you will need a workaround on how you can sort your data in a table, and here's how. Launch first Microsoft PowerPoint on your desktop, and then open the presentation you're currently working on. Here we have a sample data with some information about various cities, and we want to alphabetize by the state, which is our fourth column. And what you would need to do first is to copy this table into Word by selecting the table, right-click, and then select Copy. Open Microsoft Word, open a new document, then right-click, and then choose Paste. Now to sort the table, switch over to the Table Layout tab, and then click the Sort option. In the Sort window, click on Sort by drop-down menu, select the column by which you would like to sort, and in this case, we are choosing State because Word pulled that descriptor from our header row. You can just sort it by state, or add a second level of sorting which is by city, and you can do that by choosing it from the Then by drop-down menu. And then just click OK when you're all set up. Now with the sorted data in the table, copy this table to PowerPoint by selecting the table, right-click, and then select Copy. And then paste this onto your presentation. And with that, you have sorted contents of a table in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.